Nuclear energy is a clean energy production source, but due to some past high-profile accidents, nuclear power plants carry a bad reputation. It is possible to make extremely safe nuclear plants. This is what Elon Musk said. SpaceX is currently developing a compact, portable nuclear reactor. This insane nuclear fission reactor is enough to power 1,000 colonies on Mars. Isn't it amusing? Do you want to know more about this little yet powerful nuclear fission reactor? In this video, we'll go over everything in detail. Let's start with it. We are all aware of nuclear power and how it can produce electricity, fuel, and energy. Nuclear energy produced without releasing greenhouse gases is considered clean energy. Nuclear power is considered dangerous and lethal due to past mega disasters and mishaps. Can we use it safely? Has anyone done this? Obviously, Elon Musk. I think modern nuclear power plants are safe, contrary to what people may think. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO said, "I really think it's possible to make very extremely safe nuclear." Musk made this statement on Wednesday at the B-Word conference. It was organized by the Crypto Council for Innovation when discussing how to make Bitcoin mining viable. Musk said, "I'm talking about fission. You don't need fusion." That's something smart. Do you know what a fission reaction is? A neutron smashes into a larger atom in a fission reaction, dividing it into two smaller atoms and releasing energy in the process. It is a method used in conventional nuclear reactors. Okay, what is fusion reaction then? In contrast to fission, fusion occurs. With fusion, lighter atoms combine with lesser ones to form a heavier atom, releasing energy. The method by which the sun produces energy is fusion. Elon Musk again emphasized, "You've got that big fusion reactor in the sky called the sun. It comes up every day." It's not surprising that Elon Musk has reignited the masses' interest in his scientific discoveries because of his exceptional achievements. This time, it's an insane, powerful nuclear reactor. Is he pro-nuclear then? Musk has made it clear time and time again that he believes in the potential of technology. Even though his goals have received harsh criticism, he is considered pro-nuclear. Elon Musk is developing a portable nuclear power plant. This microreactor is a cost-effective, lightweight power generator that is unlike anything we've seen before. Former SpaceX engineers have created the world's first portable zero-emissions power source. This portable nuclear reactor can be easily erected in cities and provide power to remote locations. A portable nuclear fission reactor? Have you heard of it before? Musk got plans to populate Mars and intends to do so in the future. Hence, a transportable energy source will be required. Radiant, a company founded by SpaceX engineers, is developing this energy source to provide power to remote locations. They also claim that their microreactor can create more than 1 megawatt. This will be enough to power 1,000 households for up to 8 years. Isn't it the need of us today, too? To reduce carbon emissions and fulfill energy requirements, we all need this. The nuclear reactor can be transported quickly by air, sea, and road, bringing affordable energy to areas with limited access to renewable energy. This will also reduce their dependency on fossil fuels. Many of the microreactors that are being developed are fixed at a location. Individuals in rural areas should be able to access electricity easily using this technology. Microreactors can be remotely monitored in centralized fueling and maintenance. This enables microgrids to run without having any long-term effects. Due to its reduced power, however, the tiny nuclear reactor won't be used sparingly. This is going to change the energy production mechanisms of the world. What are your thoughts? The normal output of a single wind turbine is 3 to 6 megawatts, but this microreactor can produce 1 megawatt. Similarly, each microreactor unit can power over 1,000 homes for up to 8 years and can create over 1 megawatt of electricity. The company describes its design as a clean energy alternative to fossil fuels for public, military, and commercial applications. What about the risks and other clean energy sources then? Nuclear power opponents contend that despite scientific advancements, there are still risks associated with the technology. Compared to a solar power plant that produces the same amount of electricity, the solar facility would need battery backup, which would be a highly expensive solution. These reactors will occupy less space and be able to produce day or night in cloudy or clear weather. Still, this portable nuclear fission reactor is something unique. What's the current news then? SpaceX has already begun filing patent applications. Even though it's only a prototype and designs of the Radiant reactors are live on internet, one of these patents reduces the time and costs associated with refueling and maintaining the reactor, while the other improves the reactor's ability to transfer heat efficiently. Elon Musk is very hopeful of launching the portable nuclear reactor soon, calls for nuclear power expansion, and offers to eat food grown near reactors. What do you think? Will Elon Musk be able to power Mars with this insane nuclear fission reactor? When would the general public or colonies get benefit from it? What is the exact launch date? Keep watching to find out. Contrary to popular belief, Elon Musk thinks modern nuclear power plants are safe. According to him, the future of nuclear power will be about fission rather than fusion. Nuclear energy is also a hot topic at SpaceX, Elon Musk's space company. What are his plans, actually? CEO of SpaceX has only one lifelong ambition: to bring humanity to other planets. However, this is a very difficult, if not impossible, undertaking because Mars is millions of miles away and impossible for anyone to reach safely. The fastest rocket can reach Mars in 7 months. But this rocket will require a large amount of fuel, right? Even before Elon Musk sends anyone to Mars, he'll have to deal with a big problem with rocket fuel. The distance between Earth and Mars will require an immense amount of fuel, which is in every way not feasible. Following a plan to colonize Mars, Musk is determined to make a transportable energy source. Think about a planet like Mars, which has an atmosphere and a constant energy source. From Mars, you'll have access to a greater amount of the universe and be able to survive there. Currently, SpaceX is developing a compact, portable nuclear reactor. The reactor has the ability to generate more than a megawatt of power. This insane reactor could power 1,000 Mars colonies if they constructed them all. That's something very amusing, isn't it? Nuclear reactors will allegedly be referred to as microreactors. Their placement and dimensions will supposedly reveal whether or not our hearing is true. These nuclear reactors are relatively portable since they can be placed within a shipping container. It operates using the same principles as a conventional nuclear reactor. For instance, helium will be utilized to cool this nuclear reactor instead of high-pressure water. With this replacement, corrosion contamination will be avoided, decreasing risks and pollution overall. When is this nuclear fission reactor expected? A number of businesses are seeking to commercialize fusion energy, but none have so far been successful. Elon Musk is hopeful of doing so. The prototype and design are ready and already on the internet. SpaceX engineers are working on finalizing the reactor and turning this dream into a reality. So, what are your views regarding this insane nuclear fission reactor? Are you eager to see houses around you powered up with this portable energy source? We would love to see your comments. Until next time.